Have you ever felt stuck in a loop, repeating old patterns or habits you desperately want to break? The good news is, your brain is not a fixed entity. It's a dynamic, adaptable organ, constantly reshaping itself based on your experiences, thoughts, and actions. This incredible ability is called neuroplasticity. It means you have the power to literally rewire your brain, forging new neural pathways and weakening old, unhelpful ones. This isn't just a metaphor, it's a scientific reality that empowers you to create profound, lasting change in your life. The first crucial step in rewiring your brain is to gain absolute clarity on what you want to change. What specific habit do you want to overcome, or what new behavior do you wish to cultivate? Be precise and detailed. Instead of saying, "I want to be happier," define what happiness looks like in terms of actions or thoughts. Perhaps it's, "I want to replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations," or "I want to consistently exercise for 30 minutes daily." Clarity provides a clear target for your brain to aim for. Before you can change a pattern, you must first become intimately aware of it. Pay close attention to your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors throughout your day. Notice the triggers that lead to unwanted habits. Practice mindfulness to observe these patterns without judgment. When does the urge arise? What are you thinking or feeling just before you engage in the old behavior? This awareness creates a vital pause, a moment of choice where you can intervene. Once you've identified a trigger and the subsequent automatic response, the next step is to consciously interrupt that pattern. This is where you break the automatic chain reaction. It could be a physical action, like standing up and walking away, or a mental one, like taking 3 deep breaths. The key is to create a momentary disruption that prevents the old neural pathway from firing automatically. This pause gives your conscious mind a chance to step in and choose a different path. It's about creating a gap between stimulus and response. After interrupting the old pattern, immediately replace it with the new desired behavior or thought. This is the core of rewiring. You're not just stopping something, you're actively building a new, stronger pathway. If you're replacing negative self-talk, consciously choose a positive affirmation. If you're avoiding procrastination, immediately start on a small, manageable task. The more consistently you choose the new behavior, the stronger its neural connection becomes. Neuroplasticity thrives on repetition. Every time you choose the new behavior, you reinforce the new neural pathway. Think of it like carving a new path through a dense forest. The more you walk it, the clearer and easier it becomes. Commit to daily practice, even if it's just for a few minutes. Small, consistent efforts accumulate into significant change over time. Don't underestimate the power of showing up for yourself every single day. Your beliefs about your ability to change profoundly impact your success. Embrace a growth mindset, understanding that your intelligence and abilities are not fixed, but can be developed through dedication and hard work. Believe in your brain's capacity to adapt. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. There will be setbacks, but view them as learning opportunities, not failures. Each attempt, even imperfect ones, contributes to the rewiring process. Resilience is key. Your surroundings play a powerful role in shaping your habits. Design your environment to make desired behaviors easier and undesired ones harder. This is often called architecting your choices. Remove temptations that trigger old habits. Place cues for new behaviors prominently. For example, if you want to read more, keep a book on your pillow. If you want to eat healthier, stock your fridge with nutritious options and remove junk food. For your brain to be optimally plastic and receptive to change, it needs proper care. Prioritize adequate sleep, aiming for 7-9 hours per night. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation and neural repair. Nourish your brain with a balanced diet rich in whole foods, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Regular physical exercise also significantly boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports the growth of new neurons and connections. These are not optional, they are fundamental. You don't have to embark on this journey alone. Share your goals with a trusted friend, family member, or mentor. Their encouragement and accountability can provide invaluable support, especially on challenging days. Consider joining a community or group focused on personal growth. Journaling can also serve as a powerful tool for self-reflection and tracking progress, holding yourself accountable to your intentions. Rewiring your brain is a continuous journey, not a destination. It requires commitment, patience, and a deep understanding of your own inner workings. Celebrate every small victory along the way, as each one reinforces your new neural pathways. You possess an incredible power within you to shape your mind and, by extension, your life. Embrace the science of neuroplasticity, apply these steps consistently, and watch as you transform into the person you aspire to be. Your brain is ready to be rewired. Are you?